Welcome back everyone. Today we will learn about operating system and its functions like DOS, Windows operating system and programming language. So this is the unit 1 for BCom students in CAB. So let us start with our lesson. First we will see what is DOS. Also called this operating system. DOS is an operating system that runs from a hard disk drive. The term can also refer to a particular family of this operating system, most commonly MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System. Class masalama te dio operating system ha ingeni kan hreto operating system chu engeni computer lo function dan tu computer dan tu lo lo define tu software hani software ania chu this operating system kan ti chuanin kha operating system kha disk hard disk drive te ani theia floppy te ani theia engeni ang cd te ani theia khatiang howa operating system kha engeni da thei thun thei alo ni khanin this operating system anti mai tani hard disk chu engeni kan thria floppy hi tun ma chuanin cd te dvd te om ma chuanin floppy an mang thina mairo chu a space te tamlo awangin cd te lo chhuah nuwa cd te dvd ten alu lan ta tin tuna phei chuanin cd te dvd te pokha kan mang to lo pen drive te kan ti to a tin hard disk hi kan mang na sa to a engeni external hard disk te kan tia khatiang hanin khami engeni disk storage disk ang chi om theia operating system a thun thei khanin khatiang operating system ho kha this operating system an tiani tun ma chuanin computer te alo chhuah tir chuanin cd kan tiang chi disk kan ti ang chi hrim storage nei disk ang hi ala om ngai lowa computer a reng khanin predefined command kha engeni thun sa ani fek ani kha engeni khatiang khanin khang computer te khan na tho thei kha an nei tlem em thina na chi ni chi thum ati tur bik set sa kha computer a han thun ani thina dis po amang lem lawa khol ani top maya ha computer khol a khanin na thok thei an tinan industry khol a chuanin engeni share tui her tur ani chuanin share tui kha her mi maya na dang kha a thok thei lem lo ani khati ang khanin computer chuak ma sa chuanin na a tho thei tur bik kha engeni set sa ani thina khati ang khanin na tho thei kha tlem ma this operating system te alo chhuah nuwa hianin khatiang operating system ho kha computer thun sa to loin tiang dis a hanin an thuna dis atang khanin system hran a khanin kha engeni operating system man thei tur khanin system computer hran a man thei tur khanin tiang khan a in engeni a in transfer thei tani chuanin he operating system pawh hi this operating system chuak hmasa ber ms dos kan tih pawh hi a function hi a limit a computer ah hianin engeni thil delete nan te document hawn nan te hman thei a tin tuna kan software kan operating system software kan hriat ho ang windows kan tih nen hian a in ang lo a engeni thil chhut chawp ngai type char ngai graphics engma awm lo engeni text kan tih ho text leh numbers kha tih ho command ringot kha ania operating system khami command prompt kan tih ang khanin engeni thil kha text kha kan chhua command kha kan pe a enge kha computer kha na tih tur command kha keyboard a text chut chop mang khanin kan pe thin ani command ha kan pe thin ani text mangin tunlai software tunlai OS ha chuanin engeni mouse te kan hmanga graphical GUI an tia graphical user interface an tia user friendly em a tiang khanin graphics mang khanin kan duh lai kha kan click a document te kan hong zewa khatiang khanin kan duh chu kan right click a box alo pop up a delete te kan hmea khatiang khanin kan duh chu kan delete le mai a mouse mang vekin hami graphical user interface ma chuan DOS kan tia hi chuanin khatiang command zong kha keyboard manga type vek angai ani An operating system is the software that controls the computer hardware and peripheral devices and allows other programs to function. Early computers did not have these drives but were hardwired to carry out specific computations. Later computers were able to store instructions loaded into computers' memory using punch cards and later magnetic tapes. Computer memory space was limited, and when the instructions to control a computer were moved into these drives, such as floppy disk or internal hard drive, it was considered cutting-edge technology. Today, any modern operating system would be considered a disk operating system. Tunlaya computer chuak reng chu engeni disk operating system vek ani to a eta hard disk operating system tur kha computer control tur software kha kan thun zel to ni hei Windows kan ti ho zong te yani Mac OS kan ti te po kan thun zel to ni hard disk kha computer kha na tira operating system low and manufacture and siam chu tira operating system install sa kha kha computer a laptop kha install sa kha nei lem lawa kan du chuan kan hard disk a khanin Windows operating system te kan thun theya Apple Mac OS operating system te kan thun theya Linux OS te po kan thun the ni tiang khanin a flexible em ani user ina kan du zong ber friendly kan ti ber kan man thiam ber OS kha hard disk a khanin kan thun thei to mai ani Next ahian enila hi DOS kan ti this operating system kan ti chu ania kita hian kan muang hianin C directory lo langa hi kan my computer kan hona C drive khani ta hianin C drive chu ka hianin kan command kan du engeni eng folder nge kan hon du ti te eng function nge kan eng command nge kan pek du kan ti zong kha ta hianin kan type chop angai don ani helai C directory lo lang dot chi hianin next Windows operating system akan kalang Windows operating system for desktop PCs are more formally called Microsoft Windows and is actually a family of operating systems for personal computers. Windows dominates the personal computer world, running by some estimates more than 90% of all personal computers. Windows operating system kan ti chuan operating system Microsoft ho ina an siam kha ania Microsoft ho chuan in kha an DOS user engani graphical user interface manga an siam operating system kha Windows ti ming an voni ena DOS po hi DOS kan ti po hi Microsoft ho ina an siam tho ania MS DOS an tia Microsoft this operating system ania hemi nuwa hianin graphical user friendly turin graphic nena sina kan soi ang khanin mouse nena man thei tura engeni olsam taka mang tu te ta na olsam taka khatianga engeni thu chut chop chau ngai to lova khatianga voi khat click zeu zewa command pek thei tur anga an siam kha Windows antitani atira chuan Windows hi he DOS ne na kal kop tur hian siam ania kami graphical user friendly kha kan man du chuanin DOS a hianin Windows ti te kha kan chhut masak kha ngai thin ani amaro chu huna local zela Windows kha an ron develop na sat tial tiala tin Windows kha mitam takin man nuam an tia man ol sam an tia khatianga command ol sam taka mouse manga pek thei te kha ol sam an tia chuwang chuanin Windows hin ron develop chhota zela DOS mang to lo hianin Windows top operating system a hi independent takin an ron siam ta a chu Windows version hrang hrang a awm a kan hria a tun lai a erawh chuanin Windows 10 kha kan hmang uar em em ani Microsoft Windows is actually a family of operating system for personal computers atiani khatia ang operating system family zinga mi khania operating system chi hrang hrang a awma khatiang zinga pakhat ve mai khania amai ro chu khovel puma hian personal computer a hianin 90% of all personal computers hianin Windows Microsoft Windows kha a hmangani adang 20% velin Apple ho siam Mac OS kan tih te tin Linux OS kan tih te khatiang ang adang ho kha 20% velin an hmang ve bawk ani Windows provide a graphical user interface virtual memory management, multitasking, and support for many peripheral devices. In addition to Windows operating system for personal computers, Microsoft also offers operating system for servers and mobile devices. User interface hianin virtual memory management kan tih te kha disk defragmentation kan tih te khatiang tin multitasking voi khata engani application pakhat item hon rual theina ang chi te kha aron support ta a DOS kha chuanin voi khata task pakhat chia kha perform theya application pakhat chia kha hong theya tuna chuanin multitasking a hi chuanin Windows multitasking a hi chuanin Word te arwalin Word Microsoft Word te Microsoft Excel te Microsoft PowerPoint te arwalin kan hong thea tin games te engani video editing software te music siam na software te khating chi hrang hrang kha arwalin kan hong thei ta ni multitasking kha aron phal ta ni chuwang chuanin Windows hi a user friendly em a tin chu mai baka Microsoft Windows hianin servers kan ti internet servers ho tan tele mobile device tan te pawh khanin phone smartphone ho man tur software te pawh siama Windows Phone te pawh a awmani next basic function of the operating system heng ho hi operating system ina an function angeni an hna tho poimo tak tak tlang pui ania kan en china interface between user and hardware user le hardware in kara han palai na alo thoka user le hardware ina kan ti tur ve ve kan ti khanin enge result lo chuakang monitor a mouse voi ni hi icon pakhat a hianin double click taila eng function nge lo chuakang eng application nge lo chuakang ti zong zong kha khami user mihring ina kha machine a kan va action le machine ina alo perform tur kha khatiang zong zong inkara han dinga khami inkara khanin thataka kan ti tur ve ve kha kan ti theinan user le machine khan kan thataka kan ti tur ve ve kan ti theinan khanin engeni palai na kha alo thok tani tin coordinate hardware component atia hardware component ho antinan printer te monitor te mouse te keyboard te khatia ho zong zong kha an function an thil ti dan tur kha alo engeni alo define ani operating system chuan hei chu class misalama te pawh kan renewal to in arin awma provide environment for software to function chuanin operating system chuanin engeni software dang application ho kan ti ni china kan sei ho Microsoft Office chi hran than ho te video editing software te games te pawh ni ang maw kha tiang ho zawng zawng tin web browser maw Google Chrome kan tiang chi te kha ang ho zawng zawng kha thataka an function theinan khanin environment alo siam saka enge ni thataka an function theinan enge ni hma alo la enge ni space te lo siama maw kha tiang khanin class ma sa kan sei tawng khanin Google Chrome kan ran chuan RAM ah khan memory chu ti zat anina eyanga games lian deuh kan hawn chuanin games chu ti zat chuan RAM chu ti zat a eyanga Microsoft Office chuanin RAM atang khanin random access memory atang khanin memory chu ti zat a lang tih khanin computer kha thataka function theinan khanin mumal taka a function theinan khanin ma alo la thin ani provide structure for data management data management hi na hi a thok na se em data management kan ti chuanin computer chhunga information le data kan thun ho kha enge khoi ange rem fel tur nia rem ah khan rem ah te hard disk ah te khoi engtia rem fel tur nge ti te tin enge ni file lemaw folder tru lo a awm em tih zawng zawng te tiang zawng zawng hna kha thawk a tin enge ni file tangkai lo delete hna te a tiang chi hrang hrang helaiah hianin move copy rename delete a intial hang ho heng ho function ho hi alo perform thin ani folder emaw file kha this hran pa lo move te enge ni thil kan copy duh copy te hmun dang ava paste leh te delete te rename te kha tiang zawng zawng file management kha leh data management kha a thawk nasa em em ani chuanin monitor system health and functionality chuanin operating system chuanin enge ni system health computer kha enge ni ala tha em virus a awm em enge ni enge ni hackers in enge ni file an khawih chhiah em tih zawng zawng te firewall hmang te khan tiang han alo venga tin virus te awm em khawih lai file nge corrupt khawih lai file nge virus in a tih chhiat tih zawng zawng te kha alo manage a user te kha information te kha min pe ve leh thin ani next operating system chu hetah hianin graphical representation a kan hmu ang hianin operating system hian manage anga em em a hei application kan tih zawng zawng te monitor printer mouse keyboard hard drive hang ho zawng zawng kha hard disk kan tih ho kha hang ho manage kha na alo thawk ani hei Windows version hran hran ho an nia Windows 1 hi 1985 a launch tawh ani a ni china kan soi ang khanin DOS nen a kal kawp tura an siam kha ani a he Windows 1 hmang tur hi chuanin DOS a khanin command kha pek phawt anga ni chumi hnuah enge ni tun laia kan hriat ang mouse hman theihna operating system hi a rawn display anga mouse tikha kan hmang ve thei dawn chauh tin chumi hnuah hei Windows kha an rawn develop chhoh a ti hianin Windows XP te chu lar em em a kan hret theuh awm a chuanin Windows 7 te Windows 8 tunah chuan Windows 10 te kan hmang lar em em tawh ni user friendly em em a programming language kan tih chuanin programming language hi enge ni code thu enge ni thu chi hran hran text te numbers te characters te rem khawm ani a chu rem khawm chuanin computer ah hianin command a pe thei ni ni china DOS kan soi ang deuh kha ania maro chu DOS ai chuanin he programming language hi chu enge ni a sang a sang le hreta a chan chu programming language hmang hianin software te a siam the ni software developer ho te tiang engeni computer scientist kan ti ho te software engineer kan ti ho te hianin heng programming language hmang hianin software an siam thina tiang Windows operating system kan ti te ni china DOS kan ti ang chi te pawh kha programming language hmanga siam ania programming language chuanin code ania specific code language hman bik ania chung language hmang chuanin software an siam thina an develop thina ni chung software an siam chu instructions hetlai hian kan hmuh ang hianin computer language programmers use to develop software programs, scripts, or other sets of instructions for computers to execute. Computer ina ati tur anna tho tur kha programming language hmang hianin anlo define log thina ni antina Microsoft Office te pawh Word te kan nei ta Microsoft Word te kan nei a thu engemaw kan han chua heading kan han chua kan han bold kewa heta chunga format na bold b a awma kan bold a kan thu zia kha alo lang engini alo lang lian ta bik a helai programming language ti inziak an hnuai ami te a alo lang lian bik ang hian alo lang lian bik thin ta kan thu zia kha khatia ang zong function le command kha tiang programming language hmang hianin atira zia lok siam lok ani thin ani software siam na ani deuh per chu chuanin language programming language hi chi hran a awma they share similarities programming language in anna tam tak a nei a engeni code in ang tam tak a nei a amarawh chu engeni programming language chi hran khanin syntax hran engeni command kan ti ang deuh as i thu inziah dan hran pa kha an nei ve chawka chuti rual erawh chuanin in ang kha tam tak a awm ani hetah hianin source code an tia they write the source code in a text editor or IDE text editor kan ti chuanin engeni thu engeni notepad kan ti ho ang chi te Microsoft Office ang chi te pawh kha hman theng chu kha ti ang chi khan a source code khami a command tur kha software siam na tur kha an chu lok thina an ziak lok thina chu kha code kha computer in command kan pek ang khan alo ziak alo execute ta thina ni alo perform ta thina ni computer in chuanin computer chuanin interpreter ania interpreter hmangin khang code kan zia ho kha computer machine language in a hriat thiam theih turin alo convert a chu computer in alo execute ta thin ani code kha kan zia dik lo chuanin machine language khanin a hriat thiam dawn lova kan engeni computer ina ti tura kan duh ang chi kha ati lem dawn lo ani code dik lo code error kha min pe dawn ani chu programming language hmang hianin misual tam tak chuanin virus te pawh an siam thina khatiang khanin software virus software te an siama khami virus kan vak an hemi programming language hmanga an virus siam te kha kan va click vela hanin khami programmer tena kha software va click vela ti tura ati kha kan va open kha virus kan va open chi khanin virus khan kan computer a han alo perform ta chara a then chu file delete tura lo program log te nia a then chu file lo hide lo ti bo tura siam te nia then chu information data lo rutura program te nia khatiang khanin programming language hi visual tak tak chuanin an hmang thin ani heng ho hi programming language lar zual kan tun lai kan hriat theih te chu nia python ten awma c te java te c++ ten awma tiang hanin programming language hi chi hran hran a awma ni china kan sawi tawng khanin hi software engineer te programmer te chuanin an hman tangkai zual ani khati khan tuna tan chuan unit 1 chu kan duh tok photang